Today we're taking a detailed look at the YETI Daytrip 6-liter lunch bag. This is the black version. Let's take a quick look at the bag and then we'll take a closer look in detail. Let's start with the front of the bag. It has a solid flap for the opening with magnetic enclosure. You can actually kind of see the circular magnets lined on the flap and the part where it snaps onto. There's a tag with the product name in the opening, and on the reverse side, you can see little details like that it was made in the Philippines. Let's check out what's inside the bag. We got a YETI sticker, a desiccant pack, a registration card, and a product card. It's in many different languages. This bag is insulated with their cold cell flex insulation, which is a closed cell foam which holds the temperature for a long time. The insulation is not bulky and does not take much of the storage space. The inside has a smooth gray lining. Here's a look at the stitching across the bag. On the bottom is a pocket, and inside are two tags with a QR code and serial number. The pocket reaches all the way down to the bottom of the bag. It also has a magnetic closure. It uses a single magnet in the center. Looking at the side, we have 3 loops. On the back of the bag is another pocket with a zipper enclosure. The pocket reaches all the way to the bottom of the bag. There is a YETI strap on the zipper for easy control. The lining inside the pocket is gray and has a grid pattern. There is a Velcro YETI patch at the center of the bag. Here's a look at the tag that does go over some of the features and additional accessories that are compatible with the bag. It includes a 3-year warranty. Let's take a look at the strap. It's reinforced in the center. And finally, here's the bottom of the bag, which features a big YETI logo. It's solid and has a grippy rubber texture. And that's it. This is a very well thought out and built insulated lunch bag.